Hi. Um Up to now, we learned about joins, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, self join, cross join, and some advanced joins also there. How to combine three tables, four tables, like that, right? Let's do some challenges related real-time example scenarios, like interview-based questions, some depth questions. How to be interview based SQL joins depth questions like this. See, uh, write a query to return employee details for all employees as well as the first and last name of each employee's manager. Include the following columns. See here, already told about that this interview question in I think I didn't remember properly that emphasis interview. I think emphasis in that interview they asked the technical team manager asked me this question. It's I didn't answer at that time. I am at that time learning stage, but it's a self join. He only told that by self join answer. He told that later I googled it. This by using self join you can achieve this. See, the solution is this is the solution. See, self join. Here you can go. Just go to new query, change the database, onto database, copy paste. See, let's execute. In this way you can get. See, I selected employee ID, employee first name, last name as per that given requirement, and m dot first name as manager first ID, m dot last name as manager last ID, and from HCM dot employees alias left join is left join. Okay, left join HCM employees m on m e manager dot m manager employee ID. The same table join from same table is called self join, right? Let's go to second challenge. Write a query to return all the products at each warehouse including the following attributes. See, product name and warehouse ID. Here multiple here we are going to join multiple tables. First two from product table, second from warehouse table, third one from inventories. So here how to write, this is the solution. P dot product ID, P dot product name, W dot warehouse name, I dot quantity on hand, from OES products P, inner join OES inventories I on product ID is equal to I dot product ID inner join. Like this you can see, you can write the query like this. You can write the query, right? Let's see third one. Write a query to return return the following attributes from for all employees from Austria. All employees, here he asked all employees means including nulls, so we have to use left outer join. Definitely left outer join from both the tables, total 3 tables. How many? 4 employee ID, first name last name, department name from department tables, job title from jobs, state province from countries. See, 4 tables. Left outer join, use left outer join, it will give all the records, and we have to use where condition, where state is equal to Australia, right? This is the query for third challenge. Select employee dot employee ID, e dot first name, e dot last name, d dot department name, j dot job title, e state province, and from HCM employee C, HCM dot employee C, HCM is a schema, left outer join, left join HCM dot employees D on department ID, E dot department ID, E dot department ID, inner join HCM jobs J on E dot job ID is equal to J dot job ID. E means employees job ID equal to jobs dot job ID, and inner join HCM country C, here he dot country employees dot country ID is equal to countries dot country ID, and where C dot country name, C dot country's name, country name is equal to Australia only we want, right? See, state province Australia. Country name from Australia, New South Wales, right? In that way you can achieve the third. Fourth challenge, return the total quantity order of each product in each category. Do not include products which have never been ordered. Here we have to use never been ordered means include product name and category name in the order, results by category name from A to Z, and we have to use order by clause, aggregator function and all. Let's practice this hint by using that hint, and the query is C, select employee ID, first name last name, department from D, jobs from J, and EAD, left out resign, country ID, sorry, this is third one, this is fourth one. Select C dot product category dot category name from product name, sum of OI quantity as total quantity from products table, join order items OI on this. See, practice this query on product categories, group by product name, category name, product name, order by category name, product name. See, in this way you have to do, right? See, category name, product name, total quantity order, right? In this way, category name, product name you can achieve, right? We want category name and product name only, right? Fifth challenge, return the total quantity order of each product in each category. So each product category include products which have never been ordered, and give these total quantity order include the product name and category XC. Join multiple products, multiple tables, products table, order items, products, categories. This will also requires an outer join group by both product name and category name. Use sum aggregate function next to the sum function with coels function to replace nulls, right? Let's see that solution for fifth one. See, this is like this, collation to replace nulls with 0, coels. You can also use NVL function here, coels function also you can use. with the query. Right. There is no nulls. Nulls will be 0, replaced with 0. Right. That's it. In this way, just practice the challenges and just check the query given here. See. Okay. Let's meet in next session.